What's good, gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Phil S2K, and guess where I'm at? I'm at the hotel for Tuner Evo. All right, we ain't really got a view, but this lighting right here is perfect. I don't know why I said it like that, but give you guys a little quick tour. You know what I'm saying, got the little desk area right there. You got the master bed. You got the bathroom. Then you got the living room out here. You got one girlfriend. Yeah. It's kind of cool at the fact that when I came here last year, I was at 2,000 subscribers. I came back the next year and I'm at 11,000 subscribers. That right there keeps me motivated. So every year I come back, I'm gonna wanna be at a higher stature than I was last year. So that means your boy has to keep working and pushing out that great content. And if you guys did not watch the video from yesterday with that GTR, you are missing out, my guy. So make sure you guys go and watch that video, alright? So all the people that's coming to this channel right now because you want to see the Tuner Evo video, we're about to get into that in a little bit. But today's Friday, Tuner Evo Saturday. We might get into some shenanigans today, so we're gonna see, man. We're gonna see. Alright, so we're at the casino. I'm about to bet one. I'm already down to $9. I put 20 in there. $1-0. I ain't win nothing. She won 36 and she put a 20. I'm literally watching all my money go down the drain. Every pull I do. I'm down to $5. I put 20 in here. Damn. Damn, shorty. My hair is stroking. Woo! What's good, gang? We're about to head out to Tuner Evo. Got the new highly official shirt on. You know what I mean? Yeah, I don't even know. Your boy's working. But we about to go check out right now. Head on over to go get some food. And then we're gonna go to the show. Right-hand drive. Nice. Damn. He's got the purple and gray going on. Woo. Now this is what you call ice. This is nice. I like this color. Rocket Bunny? Said possibly. Woo! Mad flakes in it. Same wheels I got. Damn. Yo, this color is like mad juicy. Ooh. That, right? Big boost. Nice. Damn, talk about stretch. Got the grenade in here to go with the army theme. Woo! Nice and clean, simple. Damn. I don't know, man, it's pushing me to do it. Damn. Imagine having to drive in this.
That's what I'm saying. How am I going to drive it?
The whole gang is here, boy. Now this is me right here. This is what I need. Alright, we're about to take some pictures. Gotta set it up properly. Got it. Hit. Your boy came out with the bagged Mugen on the GPs. Whew. See that OEM fitment? That's what I tell you guys, if you're gonna get one, always go OEM, because these sit up all the way to the line. The fake ones sit down here. So it kind of has like a sagging look, but this one makes it look perfect with the body lines. The wing is OEM too, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
Everyone always asks me, I get comments about the rear and the wing.
Well, you can always tell if it's OEM, because the replica one, it goes further, and then there's the badge.
Yeah.
It doesn't fit all the way.
Yeah.
And then on top of that, I think yours has the third brake light too. Yeah. But I mean, K Playground sells those too, though. So.
Yeah, but they don't look right. It looks
Yeah. He also just did the spoon calipers. Damn, this shit is kind of close. Like, you just made it. Like, just made it. Like, any other fucking wheels, you would have been sick.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're out of here. About to head on. Huh? Why it looks so black?